I'm Bubba from the Bubba Rock Meat Company. Today we're going to be making homemade barbecue sauce with our spices. This is what we have included here. We got one 12-ounce jar of tomato paste. We have 1 cup of white vinegar. We got 3 cups water. We have a 1/2 cup brown sugar. We're going to be using the ribbon butt rub. We want 2 tablespoons of ribbon butt rub. We want 1 tablespoon of mesquite, and we want 1 tablespoon of hamburger. I'm going to bring this to a boil, and then I'm going to let it simmer for 5 minutes. I'll bring it back to you once I'm done. Alright, here we are with our barbecue sauce, homemade, with our Bubba Rock spices. All you need to do is let it cool down a little bit, and it's ready to add to any of your dishes you got. Your spare ribs, pulled pork, French fries, whatever you want to dip it into. Just remember, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you'll be seeing more of us. Thanks.